First, we need to know that biosimilar drugs is something that is quite similar to the original. And that means in terms of efficacy, it's not better, it's the same or in a certain range. So far, in many countries, the biosimilars or originators or even different biosimilars can be switched without loss of efficacy. Although we don't really have, say, the comparative studies, but we have real-world data to support that these biosimilars can be switched without affecting the efficacy. Switch with the other biosimilars or switch with originators.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for Professor Wang's answer.
The introduction of the biosimilar drugs into the market or into the our daily practice is actually to lower the cost of the drug. So that is, of course, a good news for the patients, because right now in Taiwan, we know that the very common anti-HER2 target therapy, trastuzumab, the originator, Roche, Herceptin, is still not reimbursed for the non-native patients